What's up, my AGG family? I know it's been almost like forever. That's what it feels like. But I've been getting some more stuff done. A lot of y'all been seeing me on my other channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So I've been working on some stuff. So I'm ready to get this garden together now. So I'm out here. Today is March 5th, 2025. We got some bad weather coming in. Tornado type weather and all that. You can tell how windy it is, okay? So I'm about to show y'all what the garden is doing. Y'all know our weather has been crazy and strange. So much frost and ice and snow and all that type of stuff been going on over the past couple weeks. That's another reason why it's been like putting a stall on my garden stuff. So hopefully, you know, we getting some better, more warmer spring-like weather, minus the storms, okay? So let me go and show y'all what's going on out here in Amazing Grace Garden. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get through this. I need to water everything, but I'm trying to wait till some of this free water, this rain come. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. So I have things I think kind of mixed up, all right, from when we put it out here. So this is cabbage and that's cabbage. So I got a lot of cabbages. I got some green onions right here. My bok choy is doing really good. What are you? This is some collard greens right there. Bok choy. Right here is bok choy. Look at this. What is this right here? Cabbage. More cabbage is doing so good. Let's see, what is this? This is collard greens, bok choy, and y'all know we had the ice storm recently. We had all the snow some weeks ago. Then we had everything out here. It was just a straight ice storm. No snow. Everything had icicles from it for a couple days. It's just been some crazy weather, and I'm so happy that I didn't cover nothing but my citrus trees. I didn't cover nothing. You hear me? I didn't cover anything, none of this stuff. It froze and came back. And that's what I be saying about frost tolerant. Everything that's a cold crop don't mean it's frost tolerant. Okay? So all these bok choys and collard greens is looking good. Look at that bok choy right there. I got 2 in that bucket. Okay? All these is doing really good. I do have some, look at my Swiss chard. I got it to come through and take out all the dead leaves. But that's fine. Now I do have something that bolted, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the weather, and that's these mustard greens. My mustard greens bolted in the flower. I'm gonna let them flower and then I'm gonna get the seeds. Okay, so let me show y'all this though. Out of all that snow and stuff, look at this right here. Look at this right here. This is my pear tree. Look at that. Even with the snow and stuff, the ice and stuff, the cold, the freezing, I have not covered nothing. Look at this. Ain't that so pretty? And this pear tree is doing the same thing, y'all. I think it's looking good for a lot of good, delicious pears, okay? My fig tree right here, I left the other one in the ground. I gotta see what it's doing, but look. Here's my Santa Rosa plum. And look, oh my goodness, containers, y'all. 17-gallon laundry basket from Walmart, okay? Look at this. This is my Metally plum. Look at this. The trees. This is my Georgia peach, y'all. Look, I'm so excited and grateful and thankful. Let's go down here and look and see, because I have not uncovered this. I don't know what's going on. It seems like I can see some yellowing of the leaves. These are my citrus, and it's fine because I know what to do. See what's going on. Yep, some dead leaves and stuff. What I'm going to do is, I haven't been watering because I haven't gotten out here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this up a little bit, leave it like that. Oh, and I'm falling. I tripped on this hose pipe. I'm gonna come through and eventually take all the dead leaves out, let it air out right now, and then I'm gonna get it treated and see if we can get these leaves growing. Now, sometimes depending on the plants, leaves do drop, new ones do come back. Okay, but the weather has been crazy. I have had them on here, and then I did take them out the ground and repotted them. So yeah, so but it's fine, they are not dead. Look at those stems, they are not dead. That's the main thing, right? This right here is my tangerine tree. It's doing what it do every year. I'm waiting for the first year it gives me some fruit. And then over here is both of my apples tree, which for the last couple of years I've had to treat them, because when I got them from the nursery, they had some type of like fungus, and I have been treating them. Y'all have saw me spray them and treat them, and have done really good. Oh, and it's raining on me. It's raining on me, Lord. So let's try to finish this. I got grapevines and all that. Oh, look, my blackberry is getting some leaves. Yes. Woo, if that ain't motivation, I don't know what is. If that ain't motivation. Okay, so look at this down here. I got Brussels sprouts. Let's check the Brussels sprouts. I know I got a water. Ooh, look at that Brussels sprouts, y'all. Yeah, girl, so happy. Okay, I gotta redo my seeds and stuff, because they let them get away from me, and then the lighting issue with having all the quails and the chickens. And yeah, so this is my olive tree, looking good. This is my fig tree, the big one. Okay, over here is a lot of my Swiss chards, and I got some more greens. I gotta take those dead ones off from the burn of all that ice and stuff. See, you take these off, but you don't lose your plant, because you got all this new growing. Okay, this is from like the cold burn. I didn't cover nothing. All right, let nature do what it's gonna do. Don't do what Google say to do all the time. Okay, mustard greens right here. Look at that, and that's just the open area of stuff from last season that I gotta pull up or whatnot. And so yeah, that's what it's looking like. What's this over here? This is Tatiana and Kylie's garden area, and look like somebody got some, them look like mustard greens growing. I gotta ask them which one got the mustard greens growing. Okay, so that's looking good, really good. All right, I'm happy. I think this is my pomegranate tree right here, and she ain't got no leaves. She bald head all the way right now, but that's gonna be just all right though. I know she gonna come back. And these are my green onions. I gotta come harvest them and get them going. These are my California garlics. Okay, they doing good, and I got some more garlic down here minus the weeds. So yeah, I do got some yard work to do. Won't be today because this storm is finna come in. Okay, and I gotta go get chicken feed, quail feed, and all that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this updated tour of Amazing Grace Garden. Got some work to do. Everything is in order, but I got some cleanup work to do. Got to get my Amazing Grace sign and stuff up. I don't know if I posted it over here. I've been super busy. I got to show y'all, those of you that haven't already saw it, I got to show y'all something. Okay, AGG family, look. My birthday was February 21st, okay? Today is March 5th, 2025. So I turned 38 years old. And look, Aronde surprised me with this engraved mint. Amazing Grace Garden. I know I showed it on my Mississippi Girl Life channel, but it's supposed to be for this channel, and I didn't. But either way it go, hey, they both my channels, so either way. But it's for Amazing Grace, and it say Amazing Grace Garden, home to divine treasures, because you know that used to be that's what I had changed it to, and then I took my Amazing Grace name and got it back on there. Okay, so he put Amazing Grace Garden, home to divine treasures, and this is so special to me because these are the magnolia flowers. Mississippi is the magnolia state. So a lot of people won't understand it unless I tell them. That's why he had the magnolia flower engraved into this piece. Okay, so I gotta get some chain and stuff and find out where I'm gonna hang it, but right now this is one that will be indoors. Okay, so I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know exactly what, because I don't want the weather to mess it up. So this type of wood, we don't want to take that chance. I will be getting the outdoor one done, but for now this is what I have. So there you have it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time, bye.